Okay, let's dive into this. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're going to unpack the fascinating biological blueprint that keeps you alive, active, and thriving.
Did you know your body needs more than just food to survive? Every bite you eat contains nutrients that keep your heart beating, your brain thinking, and your muscles moving. You see, your body is essentially this highly complex, 24/7 biological engine. At a microscopic level, things like cellular respiration and continuous metabolic synthesis are happening every single second. And just like any high-performance engine, what you put into the tank dictates exactly how well it runs.
At the most fundamental level, we're really talking about human nutrition. These essential nutrients we extract from our food, they are the biochemical catalysts absolutely vital to support life. A chronic lack of these nutrients leads to malnutrition, which sadly is a major global contributor to physical deformities and developmental disabilities. But on the flip side, proper nutrition guarantees normal human biological development. It's basically the secret code for both your physical and mental growth. Let's get into Section 1, Energy Makers, Carbs and Fats. Carbohydrates are your prime energy source, fueling literally everything from basic breathing to your most vigorous workouts. In fact, your brain is incredibly greedy for this energy. It relies almost exclusively on glucose as its major fuel source. But there's a really big difference in how carbs operate. Simple carbohydrates, the kind you find in sugary, processed snacks, are digested extremely fast. They give you this quick spike in blood sugar, but it's almost always followed by an abrupt crash, leaving you feeling hungry and completely fatigued. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, digest slowly. They release a steady, reliable stream of glucose right into your blood, providing stable energy without that terrible crash. Notice how whole grains, legumes, and leafy greens are absolutely packed with those complex structures. This includes dietary fiber, which is a crucial non-digestible carbohydrate that actually slows down your digestion, regulates your blood sugar, and keeps your gut healthy. By eating foods like this, you're guaranteeing that you remain active, alert, and properly fueled for much longer stretches of the day. Now, what's really interesting about this next point is that it debunks a massive dietary myth. For years, the public was told that eating fat was entirely bad for you. That message just totally lost its nuance. The absolute truth is, healthy fats, like the unsaturated fats found in fish, nuts, and avocados, are completely essential for survival. Your body relies on these good fats for some incredible processes, like building the physical structure of your brain and synthesizing essential hormones in your endocrine system. They also help retain your body heat and allow your body to absorb specific fat-soluble vitamins. So, moderation and choosing the right fats is the real key here. Section 2, the builders, proteins. We're talking about the heavy lifters, proteins. Proteins are built from amino acids, which are quite literally the building blocks of life. These essential nutrients are present in absolutely every single cell in your entire body. We usually measure protein in our foods by its nitrogen content, since that's a core structural component of those amino acids. Without proteins, your body just couldn't repair damaged muscle fibers, synthesize crucial enzymes, or support a functional immune response. They are basically your cellular maintenance crew. And here is a pretty fascinating scientific fact for you. While we primarily think of protein as a tissue builder, it's actually a very capable fuel source if your body desperately needs it. From a pure energy density perspective, protein packs the exact same punch as carbohydrates. It provides 17 kilojoules, or precisely 4 kilocalories, of energy per gram. Crazy, right? So where do we actually get these vital amino acids? Well, everyday dietary sources include meat, poultry, and dairy products like milk and cheese, alongside some fantastic plant-based options like soy and lentils. Incorporating these into your meals ensures your body's tissue repair systems always have the raw materials they need to keep your biological structures going strong. Let's move to Section 3 and see how this builds. Micromagic, vitamins and minerals. Take vitamin A, for example. This is what we call a fat-soluble vitamin, meaning it utilizes those healthy fats we discussed a minute ago to be absorbed properly into your system. Think about carrots and how they directly relate to the health of your eyes. Vitamin A works to maintain our skin cells and plays a direct, critical role in preventing night blindness by supporting the actual photoreceptors in your retinas. Then we have vitamin D, another essential fat-soluble nutrient. What's truly incredible here is that our bodies can actually manufacture this vitamin just through exposure to the sun. And medically speaking, vitamin D acts a lot more like a hormone in your body than a traditional vitamin. Once it's synthesized or consumed through fortified foods, it works hand in hand with calcium to build and maintain a super healthy, strong skeletal structure. Now, this breakdown highlights some other critical micronutrients. Vitamin E protects your cellular membranes, while iron promotes healthy red blood cells, which, by the way, is exactly why an iron deficiency can cause extreme chronic tiredness. We also rely on B complex and vitamin C for cellular energy and immunity, vitamin K for proper blood clotting, and electrolytes like potassium and sodium for rapid nerve signals. But I really want to draw your attention to iodine. So the crucial point is that a tiny micromineral like iodine is a literal fundamental component of your thyroid hormones. Without just a pinch of it from sources like iodized salt or seafood, your entire metabolic regulation could be thrown completely off balance.
And minerals aren't just working behind the scenes. Water is arguably your most vital nutrient, making up a massive 60% of your entire body weight. By drinking fluoridated water, you aren't just staying hydrated for basic cellular function, temperature regulation, and joint lubrication, you're also directly preventing dental cavities. Fluoride acts as a real structural component, fortifying your teeth and your bones.
Our final bit of micromagic today is zinc. This micromineral is a remarkably hard worker. Found in liver, seafood, and eggs, zinc helps metabolize the very food you eat. It promotes overall physical growth, and it assists in producing the oxygen-carrying components of your red blood cells. It basically acts like a silent delivery driver, ensuring oxygen gets exactly where it needs to go deep inside your tissues.
All right, bringing it all together with Section 4, Fueling Your Future. When you step back and look at the big picture, the underlying biology becomes remarkably clear, doesn't it? A balanced diet, one rich in complex carbohydrates, dietary fiber, lean proteins, healthy fats, vibrant vitamins, essential minerals, and plenty of water, is the ultimate biological blueprint. It's the only real way to prevent deficiency-related diseases and secure your physical and mental health for the long term. Every single piece we've talked about plays a distinct, crucial role.
So I want to leave you with this question. When you sit down for your next meal, are you giving your body the right blueprint, or are you just giving it empty fuel? Think about those simple versus complex carbs and those essential amino acids. If you enjoyed unpacking the mechanics of your own body today, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more medical and human body science explainers. See you next time.